In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a report so that you can find all of the data on your consultations and comments and everything from exit surveys through the course of the semester or a year, however you want to create said report. So all you need to do in order to get to the report page is go to the welcome bar, go down to where it says System Utilities and Reports, and then move over to System Statistics and click there. From here, you'll need to set the date range, specific schedule, and the specific staff. So usually when I do this for the entire staff, I just set the date range and the specific schedule and then run it for everyone. So I don't limit it to a consultant. But for you, you're going to want to limit it to yourself. So the first thing you want to do is limit the date range. So I like to go back to August 27th, which is the first day that we were open, I believe. It doesn't really matter in that case. But as long as you have within the range where we're open. So and to the current day, which today is the 13th that I'm creating this video, but we don't have any data for today, so I always set it back one day, the 12th on Monday. So from here you go down to limit to specific schedules. Fall 2018 is what I'm interested in right now. And then limit to specific staff and resources. So let's say a meal, fall 2008. We're going to go ahead and run your report. All of the rest of this information for right now, you guys can click through and see if you want to filter by home language or background or graduation year. That is up to you. I'm not using that right now for this specific report, but it is great information to have if you are interested in learning about something or doing some research, etc. Using WCOnline data. It's super easy. But right now we're just going to find all of your basic information about consultations per person. So once we have gone ahead and limited the schedule, limited the resource, all we need to do is view report with specified limits. And what will happen is it will pull all of Emil's global statistics. So for example, Emil's had 29 appointments. There's 30 client report forms. Clients with appointments were 22, which means that she's had a couple that were like walk-ins that were recorded as off-schedule client reports. The surveys over here in this are just the amount of surveys that we've had in the date range for the entire semester for everybody. So this is just a total number. It's not per student or per consultant that you're running. So if you go ahead and just scroll down, you'll be able to find out lots of information here. A lot of it is the quantitative data. There are going to be some that cannot be counted, so they have it just listed out in numbers. So for example, your student IDs, you can run all of those. Majors, you can run all of those. If we roll down here to comments, this is where it gets really interesting, and you can read all the comments that are specific to your own consultations. So for example, please leave a comment about your consultant or consultation today. We can view all the answers specific to you. So if that student had listed you as the consultant when they did the exit survey, then all of these comments are going to be specific to you, and you can read what they have said. And you can print this or you can save it as a PDF. It is up to you. But this information is really good for you to know and check throughout the semester. You don't have to do it just once a semester. You can check it every week. You can check it every month. It's up to you. But I wanted you to know how you have access to this. So if you have any questions about it, please let me know.